Customer management, something every business owner is worried about. What if you can break free from the shackles and create a user-centric approach that can boost your business? Diverse customers, one solution. FluentCRM. Understand your customer's journey, nurture them, and finally convert your leads into sales. Just install FluentCRM, or if you're already using it, its dashboard will be there for you with all the latest stats. Marketing starts with customers, and forms are the best ways to capture them. FluentCRM offers the easiest way to create a form. Share it anywhere you want and start generating leads. With tons of leads comes the responsibility of managing them. And of course, increasing sales. That's when FluentCRM's list of integration comes into play to make a difference. Whether you run a WooCommerce store, or enlighten the world with knowledge using an LMS, or maybe planning to level up the membership game with a sales funnel, you can find everything integrated in FluentCRM for you. While making a difference, your customer's journey must be at your fingertips, right? Don't worry. Get real-time updates for growth in subscribers, email sending, or open stats with click rate. Need more? See your daily or monthly sale amount right in front. In Contacts, you can see each detail of your customers. Don't want to see all together? Classify your students based on their assigned lists, tag them to identify easily, or segment them based on advanced parameters. Have a store on WooCommerce or running an online business? Set your conditions and FluentCRM will be there for you. With filtered customer lists, you're one step closer to market your product. And what can be easier than an email campaign for that? Want to send a discount email on a festive season or design a recurring newsletter in regular intervals? Decide it all by yourself. But in the meantime, if you're worried about making your email catchy and appealing, you can definitely rely on FluentCRM's email composing features. Our visual builder has everything in store for you. Repetitive tasks consume time, lessen productivity, and increase the possibility of errors. Automation can be your savior in such cases. Create automation funnels based on WooCommerce, LearnDash, MemberPress, and more with tons of built-in triggers. Pick the set of actions, place them sequentially, and craft automation that triggers based on users' actions. All this is for leading a better sales output, and FluentCRM's advanced reporting will show you exactly what you need to know. Do you have any growth in your contacts or simply want to compare your previous stats with the last one, a report that tells you everything? Great thing awaits good decisions. FluentCRM is a marketing jewel that will be there for you every time you summon. So, manage your sales and customer relations with FluentCRM. Take data-driven and customer-centric decisions to grow your business. Get FluentCRM now!